Okay, I don't know if y'all remember the vacuum where I sit at my table or make it appear to be vacuumed. See how it looks freshly vacuumed? I wrote in the carpet yesterday with my finger to see if they were gonna start doing this again. Sure enough, they are. And I don't know if this is gonna be visible. I have not cleaned, so excuse that, but look, it looks like someone took a vacuum hose, you know, the little end, and just goes along the edge of here. Isn't that crazy? And then all under here looks, and look where I walk. See the difference? It's all down, patted down. And you can even see the box line. See how they mess with the carpet? Okay, so we're gonna write something. We're just gonna put, we're gonna mess this all up. Just gonna put a bunch of stripes here. Okay. See the stripes? So it is Easter Sunday. I don't know the date. I think it's the 20th. And it is 3:10 p.m. So they love to do this overnight. So tomorrow I will video and we'll get to see if they keep doing it. They want me to think someone's coming in here and doing it. I'm not gonna move that chair. I do move this box around. I set my feet on here because they hit my back nerves. And I like to make it so it's very painful to walk. And they hit a spot on my back. They've been doing that since I was 17. Right shoulder blade, and it feels like someone's just stabbing me, and then I can't lift my arm or, you know, eat. So I've had to learn how to use both arms. Okay, there's the marks. See what comes up with tomorrow. Can you see them? I don't know how to turn my flash on. Let me see if I can get a view over here. Okay, there they are.